Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll just show you how to change the fuses on your Centurion D5 Evo gate motor. So your box has two fuses. One is here at the side, that's a 30 amp fuse, and then you have a 3 amp fuse on this side. So basically this fuse, you can just pull it out here. It should have a spare fuse on the casing to replace the 30 amps. There's also another one here that you can replace for this one. This one you can just screw loose and pull it out and replace it. So yeah, that's just a quick video on how to change the fuses on your Centurion D5 Evo gate motor. If you maybe had lightning or anything like that and your motor is not working, first maybe try to replace these fuses before you change the motor or the power supply. Thank you all for watching, and please like and subscribe my videos.